Today, we will tour 4144 West Eli Drive in Santan Valley, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, schools, and everyday conveniences, this beautiful home offers everything you need to enjoy modern Arizona living. The 2 additional bedrooms provide flexible space for family, guests, or a home office. Tile flooring throughout the main living areas and plush carpet in the bedrooms provide the perfect balance of durability and comfort, while ceiling fans throughout help keep every room comfortable year-round. Here we have a spacious laundry room, fitted with a washer and dryer for added convenience. This move-in ready home features a bright open-concept floor plan, where the spacious living room flows seamlessly into the dining area and kitchen. The beautifully appointed kitchen is the centerpiece of the home, featuring a large center island with breakfast bar seating, a stylish tile backsplash, ample cabinet and counter space, and a full suite of appliances. Outside, enjoy low-maintenance landscaping and access to exceptional community amenities, including resort-style swimming pools, a fitness center, a clubhouse, and more. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. The spacious primary suite offers a relaxing retreat. It features a lovely bathroom with jewel vanities and an oversized walk-in shower. Schedule a tour today.